Ever wondered why your knuckles crack? Contrary to popular belief, it's not your bones making that sound. Inside your joints, there's a key player, synovial fluid, containing gases. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create negative pressure pulling the joint apart. This pressure forms tiny bubbles of gas in the synovial fluid. And here's the fun part. Those bubbles rapidly pop or dissolve, creating that satisfying cracking sound.